Inspired by you, DecoRug.
Titan Prestige Laminate Flooring is the very latest innovation from KRONO Flooring GmbH of Germany and sets a new standard when it comes to product features, quality and performance. The boards are 1285mm long and they're 157mm wide, which is narrower than most laminates and resembles a more conventional floorboard width. The thickness though is where the huge difference is. The boards are a massive 14mm thick, which is just unheard of, and better still, the substrate is made from a super high density Aquastop HDF, making Titan Prestige among the strongest and most stable laminate flooring options on the market. Here's what else you might like to know about Titan Prestige laminate flooring. The wear layer has the highest possible abrasion class rating of AC5, which gives it a heavy domestic and intense commercial classification. So 14mm thick, Aquastop water resistant HDF and AC5 rating. There's never been a laminate flooring like Titan. Aesthetically, there are 5 great looking colours to choose from. Each board comes with a 4V groove on the edges and most have what's known as a synchronous authentic embossed texture, which gives it that look just like real wood should. Other features include hand-scraped surface effect for that rustic look, a drop-lock joining profile for speedy installation, as well as an antibacterial coating to help promote a clean home environment. All materials used are eco-friendly certified and responsibly sourced. And Titan Prestige has been rated A+ in emissions testing, so you know it's safe for your home, for you and for your family. Titan Prestige offers exceptional value for money, is well worth considering and is available now at your preferred DecoRug retail store. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy shopping with us at DecoRug. Bye for now.